Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. In today's second video I thought why not take a look at the Great British Pound, because actually we haven't taken a look at it for a long period. In general, those of you who are reading our weekly report probably remember that we have a bearish view on the long-term perspective on the Great British Pound and its currency due to the problems that the United Kingdom right now meet. So this is the Brexit question, the question of the border with the former neighbors, European Union countries, question about the Ireland border. So it's lots of really big problems stands around United Kingdom. And another question is, of course, the fundamental situation in the economy. The statistics shows that it's not really a good situation there, and all this stuff makes us think that Great British Pound will continue dropping with a medium-term perspective. And last time when we have prepared the weekly report, the one concern was about the retracement. So we're come to agreement that downward action probably will follow, but the question is whether this will be some upward bounce here. Meantime, our nearest target stands at 131 approximately, because on the daily weekly chart market has formed double top pattern. And as you know, the double top target is either two measures of the A, B, C, D, so not 1618, but twofold extension of the A, B leg from the C point. Or you could use the classical approach for target estimation, is that the distance between the tops to the neckline counted in the direction of the breakout. So the target of the double bottom equals to the distance between the neckline to the tops, and market right now is coming to it. It's 121 area. What's also interesting, guys, here is that here we have the hint on the possible double repo buy, because take a look, very good thrust down. This retracement is very small, it's not even has reached the 3 fib level of this drop, and this is typical for the double repo pattern. Meantime, if you will take a look at the weekly chart, you'll see that some support exists here, so you can find it. First of all, this is the trend line, stands right here. Also, it could be probably 618 support if you will use as a reaction point, not these absolute lows as we did here, but for example this reaction point. In this case, the 618 level will stand approximately in this area. Also, take a look at market is forming here a kind of the head and shoulders as well. So it means that indeed bounce could happen, and appearing of the double repo pattern could become particularly the pattern that will trigger the upward action. Besides, mostly this potential price behavior corresponds to what we see on the euro currency. It's also very similar. Also here, they're watching for major support that stands slightly lower as here as well. Also we watch for possible hand and shoulders on the weekly chart. So very common situation. So how market could hit this area? So if market will reach it, this could become second bottom of double repo, and after that we need to get the rebound. It could take the shape of the butterfly, guys. On the 5-hour time frame chart, you could see the market's forming the butterfly, and price action is rather fast. It's 127 extension stands 131.30, 1618 stands 130.37. So this 1618 probably is a bit too deep, but 127 is quite suitable. So it's difference just for 20 pips between the daily target and the butterfly extension. Alternative scenario exists on the hourly chart, but I think that it doesn't have the sufficient probabilities to succeed. Take a look, we have this ABCD inner extension on the butterfly. This XOP stands 131.80. And theoretically, it is possible that double repo will hit the XOP and return it back up with the wash and rinse of these lows. But why I'm not sure with this scenario? Because guys, this is very important lows, and a lot of stops have been placed here. Hardly market will price action will limit it just by these Russian rings. Probably the triggering of the stops will push price slightly lower, and that will let Great British Pound to fly another 50 pips and hit this target. It's 130. So that way I think that the chance on the completion of the butterfly seems more preferable than the reversal right at the XOP. It's 131.80 area. It's just my opinion. But anyway, as you can see, overall situation looks really interesting and promising, because this could be the setup for a few weeks. It's very valuable, and I think that's one of that we should keep an eye on.